Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Millennial Money. Today I have an important topic I want to share it with you, but before that I hope you enjoy your Christmas day. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna publish this video on 24th or 25th, but I hope you are enjoying your time, whether you are with your friends or family or the close ones. I think it's important to enjoy time together. Again, this frugality, why it's more than just saving money. It's a lifestyle, and I'm gonna share it with you kind of like easygoing video. Like, I'm 25, I'm not like financial advisor, I'm not millionaire, I don't have a Lambos or whatever, but I kind of like enjoy some parts of my life or days, and I'm gonna share it with you. Of course I have ups and downs, which is normal. Guys, welcome to Michael's Millennial Money. This is the channel mostly about personal finance, investing into real estate, crypto, stocks, and even into ourselves. I just turned 25. I started 7 years ago, literally from nothing. And I'm sharing here with you how I was able to save up first $100,000 while I was in university, how my friends were doing parties and I was already hustling, buying properties in university, how I was able to start a business in logistics with a friend and so on. And actually I think it's pretty decent when you are in the younger age, because there is a lot of people, not even older, are not able to do the same things, which I always stay to the ground, but I just want to share it with you. If you want to talk more about your situation, and if there is anything you think I can help you out, there is in description calendly.com. You just click on it and you see my calendar, and over there we can schedule our 30-minute call where we can talk about anything you want, and you can always send me some description before and I can review it, see if I can help you out or not really. So guys, why frugality? Why it's kind of like more than lifestyle to me? Why it's more than just saving money? You know what, recently I was laughing with a friend because he is frugal as well. So I think it's actually very important who are you spending time with, and who are you, who you want to be actually in life as well. Because I know Patrick Bet-David, he always said that he had big talk with himself when he was 30 or almost 30, who he wanna be, and he said a leader among the leader. So what's your question? Who you wanna be? So for me, I'm 25, for me it's just being good man, provider and respectful guy and successful entrepreneur, and I want to have very important aspects for me, which are some values and so on. But yeah, so, and why it even matters with the frugality, why it is even important. Look, I share it on this channel maybe 100 times this year. I started from nothing. I remember we were going with a friend to United States. The difference was, both of us, we were broke. I didn't have money for flight ticket, so I had to borrow. He had money for flight ticket. That was the difference. That's it, So broke as a crap, I would say, poor as a crap, but definitely worth it. And then we start to be frugal. We make 10 or 15 grand a summer. It was crazy, It's infinite amount of money, because some people don't make it in a year. When we were 7 years ago, our friends didn't make it in a year, so you start to make good money already, right? And then we went again and again, and we start to make more and more and more. It was insane. I enjoyed, but yeah, so, and then we start to be more and more frugal. I remember we were not buying the coffees and so on. So this video is mostly about having fun out of me, or how I did enjoy it, because right now when I look back, it's crazy how frugal I was on certain things. It's crazy. And now I'm very opposite. I spend more money than I should have, I think so. But I want to, do things. I want to enjoy. That's the importance of life. You have to reward yourself, enjoy sometimes, I feel so. Definitely I'm frugal, but I want to buy Rolex when I will have money, or I want to do this because Rolex are nice, or car are nice, but it's for me more about I did get it because of certain things. So that's what gives me motivation. I reward myself. I buy apartment, I buy this and this and this. So that's why it's more than saving money, because frugality, it's crazy. Right now it's fun for me when I try to save money, and which I don't have to always, if I think about it in a certain way. But I wanted to share with you why you should be frugal, or why you shouldn't be frugal. That's the question too. I mean, you cannot go wrong with it. Whether you are very rich or very poor, you cannot go wrong with your frugality, because consider this: you are very poor. You have to be frugal in order to save money. You don't have any other choice. You are very rich. You don't have to be frugal, but it's good to be frugal because it teaches you how to handle your money. Because if you are rich, that your parents made it, you don't have certain skills how to be rich. Of course, probably you are going to inherit money, but you have to in mind, you don't have to have always access to this money, right? So it's good to be frugal, it's good to understand numbers and so on always, right? So that's why it's not just about saving money, but again, it's lifestyle, right? I hate certain people, certain ideas, certain opinions, but you know, everybody can do whatever they want. If you want to blow up your money, do it. If it makes you happy, do it. If you want to go for a vacation, do it, right? No problems with that, right? So frugality, it's literally like, it's a lifestyle. Right now I'm thinking about, I remember Mark Cuban, actually, he is so frugal as well. He's a billionaire, right? And he is buying toothpaste for 1 year because it saves like $100, he said. But you know, so you think he's a billionaire and he's saving money on toothbrush or whatever. But then it's crazy. I remember at one interview he did start his jet like 1 hour before flight or 2 hours, because he wanted to keep up the engines, and you know, it burned like 50 grand of cost of fuel, right? Of US dollars. It's crazy, right? So it's the same with me, you know, sometimes I'm so frugal what I'm gonna buy in the supermarket, but then I spend $1,000 just like that. It's crazy. And that's what I like about frugality. That's what I like. It doesn't make sense, logical sense, but it's good. It's good. I really enjoy this part, that you save like every penny and then you just blow up on money on a random thing, you know. I bought the nice shoes, or I bought the ring, or you know, chains. It's insane. I enjoy it. But I was so laughing at Mark Cuban that he was like preheating his jet engines. It's crazy. So yeah, now it's fun, and frugality is lifestyle to me. But of course, there are some aspects that you want to spend money: health, you know, relationships, go out and hang out with a girl, spend money, don't count the penny, because it's more you get. You just spend $20-$40, but you get way more when you get to know other person in your life and so on. And on health, definitely don't save money over there. Yeah, makes sense to you? So I hope you did. And with that being said, that I hope you are enjoying your Christmas time. And actually, I have to go to work sooner or later. I think like from beginning of January, it's gonna be so hectic. So it's gonna be hectic, but I still have some work to do in December. But it's okay. You know, I enjoy it in a certain moment. So thank you guys. See ya. Bye bye.